Hi everybody. I want to go over week 1 assignments with you to explain a little bit about what you are to do and how the announcement feature will work in this class. So every week you will see an announcement with the week number and the dates for that week. In that announcement, I will list the activities and assignments that you need to complete during that week. If there are graded assignments that are due, I'll put those due dates in bold and all caps so that you can easily see what graded assignments are due. Of course, all of the activities need to be completed during the week. So our class will run from Monday to Monday. So every Monday you will see a new announcement for the new week, and then any assignments for that week are due the following Monday before midnight. So for week 1, you can see that there's some reading that you need to do. All of your materials are here in D2L, and in the announcement, I provide links to take you directly to those materials. I also will show you where they're located if you want to find them on your own. So of course, we'll be beginning with Unit 1. The reading will be all in learning materials. Please make sure you read that material. It is essential that you understand that material in order to complete the assignments for that week. So you're going to go ahead and read all of that material. For week 1, there are 2 graded assignments. The first one is a quiz on academic integrity. So once you have read the page on understanding plagiarism, you can take the quiz. You may use that material or any notes you take on that material while you're taking the quiz. There is a direct link here to the quiz, or you can also go to Unit 1 and click on the assignments and submissions to access it. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to the quiz, but the quiz does not begin until you click Start Quiz. Please do not take the quiz until you are ready, as you only have one attempt to take the quiz. And you can see the due date here. The second assignment is to choose your debatable topic that you will use throughout this course. Again, you will have read a lot of materials about literature reviews and what is a debatable topic. And so you need to decide what issue are you interested in exploring this semester. This will be a discussion topic. The link is provided, but you can also go to it through the Unit 1 assignments. When you click on that discussion topic, you will see that you can start a new thread. And here you would give the subject for your topic, for your thread, and then write down your debatable topic. So my debatable topic is, let's say it's control pause. Explain it so that we can understand what your debatable topic is, and then post. Now that's not all that you need to do for this assignment. You will also need to read the topics chosen by your fellow class members and respond to at least 2 of them. So go into any particular post, read what they've put, and then you can reply. Please make sure that your response is at least 2 sentences so that you're making a valuable response, a thoughtful response, and not just saying, great idea. So make sure that you do take a little bit of time in your responses, at least 2 students. That is part of your grade. And then, of course, you would post that. So please make sure that you read the learning materials so that you better understand what kind of thing you're doing in this course and why you need a debatable topic. I will be approving your topic, so if I find that it's really not going to quite work for the class, I will certainly let you know that and work with you to find a good topic. All right, so there are those two assignments and the reading materials for this week. I'll be posting this video for you to watch. And then at the end of the announcement, I have a link to the instructor information page where you can find all the ways that you can contact me through Zoom, through email, through phone, through texting, etc. So please feel free to contact me with any questions throughout the week. Have a good week.